In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn company page. To get started, sign in to your personal LinkedIn account. This is important because company pages on LinkedIn are created and managed through a personal profile, so make sure you're logged into the correct account before you begin. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen and find the For Business icon. Click on it to open the business menu. When the menu appears, scroll down to the bottom and select Create a Company Page. This will take you directly to the page creation area, where LinkedIn will guide you through the setup process. From there, simply continue by choosing your preferences and entering your business details. LinkedIn will ask for the basic information needed to build your page, and this is where you'll want to be accurate and consistent. Use your official business name and make sure the details match your brand identity, since this helps your page look more professional and makes it easier for people to find your company. As you move through the setup, take your time reviewing each field before continuing. Even though the process is straightforward, small details matter. Selecting the right options and filling everything out carefully can make a big difference in how polished your page looks once it goes live. If you have branding elements ready, such as your company logo or tagline, having them prepared in advance can help the process go more smoothly. The main thing here is to follow the prompts LinkedIn provides. The platform is designed to walk you through each part of the setup, so in most cases you only need to make your selections, enter your information, and continue to the next screen. Keep your wording clear and professional, especially for any visible business information, since this page may become one of the first impressions people have of your company. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've accessed the company page creation section and completed the setup by selecting your preferences and entering your details, your LinkedIn company page will be ready for the next stage. It's a simple process, and as long as you follow the prompts carefully, you should be able to create your page quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.